What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your boy Lance. Today I'm gonna say it straight out, I am super freaking scared. I know I keep saying this, from here on out it's no turning back, but literally from here on out it's no turning back, because you know why? We are finally smoking holes into this car. Look who decided to show up, and his car is finally freaking running. Can she clear it? Oh my god. Guys, this is a homemade front splitter right here. Oh shit! You're a monster. I hope you know that.
I'm so sorry.
Dude! What's up, G?
Love you.
Oh, it's so good to finally see this car back on the road.
Wow.
So we're just gonna jump right into it. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna tape off all the fenders, and then we're gonna mock up the over fenders, and then from there, when we find the balls to do it, we're gonna smoke the holes. So stay tuned. So we got everything taped down over here. Other side's already done. I did want to show you guys something though. We got a fan, a big ass fan, because summer is coming right around and it's getting hot. So if you guys can do me a favor, I'm just putting it into existence now. I'm hoping that one day we can get a shop. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Again, this build is gonna be sick. Unique, I should say unique more. Everybody got Liberty Walks, everybody got Rocket Bunnies, but nobody got Gekisokus, except 3 guys. 2 guys in the US, and me, the Lone Ranger here on Oahu. So make sure you guys subscribe. So plan of action is, we're drilling this one first, because this one wants to play around. So we want to secure that down. And then we're gonna do one on the top here. And I kind of don't have to worry about down here too much. It's already secured where it is. It's not gonna go anywhere. It's already connected with the side skirt. So I don't have to worry about that so much. But just to get this in place and this here, and then we say goodbye to the fender. Also, I want to do a quick shout out to Summit. They sent this really fast. But we're gonna be using their Clico pins just to kind of hold everything in place. The reason why I had to get Clico pins was because they're perfect for doing a wide body. They're spring loaded, so they come right on and they come right off, so I don't have to use the actual rivet nuts or whatever you call those. I have hardware for that, but for right now, just to move everything around and take on and off easily, we're gonna be using these Clico pins. Last check. Yes?
I'm filming, sorry. I'm sorry. It looks right, so.
We spent the last 25 minutes trying to find the balls to do this, and we still haven't done it yet.
It looks lined up to me. If it moves, I mean, it's like maybe down a hair.
Give me a stool. I need to sit on the stool. So I don't want to be down on my fucking squatting. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so mind you, the line lines up if you're level with it. So any last minute changes has to be done like now. I think it has to go up slightly.
Higher?
Ever so slightly. But that's just what I think from here. Ooh, not like that.
Fuck.
So like
there.
Yeah, that
Right there.
That looks perfect. Drill it quick, before it moves.
No turning back now.
Full thunder, no sand, man. Oh no, the thing loosened, I think. Check
What?
the chuck. Check the, no, the chuck loosened.
Oh. I almost shit myself.
Dude, I would
shit
too. It
myself.
stopped. I was like, oh shit, what just happened? Oh god. No, it went through. It went through. Clico it quickly. I can see your hand shaking. Okay, it's in. First Clico.
I feel it. Ah.
Sandy. We'll do one more
Down
on the
there.
front somewhere, and then that should hold.
And I just take these off.
Yeah. I actually want to say it's probably a better idea to do this one.
This one, yeah.
Because it hangs, right?
You want to do it?
Not really. I'm terrified, dude. I hate watching this, to be honest. It's so trash to watch because it's like, yeah, let me just keep going and wham, it just fucking flies in.
Oh, there we go.
You.
Okay, we don't need this, right?
No, I'm,
Sure.
I'm almost 100% sure you can take it off. It shouldn't move anymore because it's pinned in 3 places. That's solid. Okay, that's literally, you can't go back anymore. Wicked.
Bro. Oh, this is sick.
That's solid.
It's solid now.
Dude, so that's a good thing. This is only 3 pins.
Yeah.
So when it's all,
Yeah.
that's gonna be solid. It's gonna be really solid.
You want to do the other side?
I'll do like 2. I'm scared, dude. That's so terrible.
So let's just start off by saying that I'm profusely sweating right now because I was so nervous to actually bolt down the fenders. Or actually, not bolt down the fenders, but smoke the fenders. I've waited for this day to come, and at the same time, I was hoping that this day couldn't come, as I said before. But now, there's no turning back. There's no turning back at all. So sitting on my water sprinkler, I'm TikToking live. TikTok is dangerous, but live. First time going live. Your turn.
Okay, mind you, for everyone out there, I do dumb stuff to my car, and I'll do it all day long. But as soon as it's someone else's, I don't. It's not the same. It really isn't. Oh, that feels so wrong. But I'm cheating because that's plastic.
Freaking cheater.
That's why I didn't want to do the metal, man.
Ooh, she's secured.
That's pretty good.
How does it feel?
I hate it.
How does it feel?
It's great to watch right up until you're the one doing it. On top of that's not my car.
All right, back to work. So I forgot to press record on the second side, but second side's done already. This thing is like ridiculously wide. Like now that is a meaty booty. 3 inches wide, 70 millimeters. That's close enough. So right now we have just 4 Clico pins, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just those are holding it. But now that we have it, it's a good template to run from the back. And now we do the front. The front is the part that's gonna take the longest time for us, only because there's so many different pieces we're playing around with. This is the most anxiety I've ever had when it comes to owning this car. We drilled
1, 2, 3,
four,
4,
five,
8 holes.
8 holes. To think that we have what, 20 something on each side. Because this just one piece alone is like 10 or 12.
That was a really good idea though.
To do the back sale.
To fit
Or
that
to get
first.
that. Yeah. Look at that, boys. Look at it.
Slam it.
Slam it now?
Yeah.
Do I really want to slam it right now? Dude.
That's what you need right now. Because
I know I won't even top out. I know I won't bottom out. I'll be at like 40 psi and I'm already on the ground.
Because this already just barely sits. This sits even lower than the skirt.
Oh yeah,
So
that's
this will get really close. But see this thing on the ground.
true. Okay, let's do it.
Can these go up still?
Can I go up more than this? This is the highest right here. I'm at max 150 psi in the bag. Fuck it, whatever, let's just drop it.
Give it come.
More?
You have like an inch.
An inch?
Yeah. It's creeping.
Do I go lower?
That one's up to you if you want to look at what you did. Okay.
I'll give it that.
Perfect finger.
Holy. Just looking at the rear fenders alone, tell me not, this kind of looks like a 350 or a 370Z. Honestly, if I was to run it just like this, I'd be pretty happy with it. Then again, it might be stupid. I just can't get over the fact that this car is hella wide. Here, let's just use my hand as a reference. So, if this is the wheel, so from where my finger is to where my, what do you call these again? Oh my god, I was a kinesiology major. Your phalanges. That's huge, like, ooh. Anyways, that's it for tonight. This is probably the most gut-wrenching thing for us right now, is just smoking holes through and drilling a fender. Remember now, this is not, I mean, I'm not dogging on anybody or any other cars, but this car is fairly expensive. So, smoking holes through this thing is like, it makes you sweat. Like, I'm sweating all over the place. So, with that being said, I'm really not looking forward to cut the fenders, but it has to be done. We already drilled holes in it, now we just gotta cut the fenders. And then mock up the front, which that's gonna take a long time. But anyways, see you guys in the next video. Always remember, challenge your standards.